all right?
Yep.
We're gonna talk about Mississippi, we're gonna talk about Florida, so these are little pictures of the states we're gonna go into. We're not gonna go through all of them, but we'll go through a few of them, okay? Mississippi usually pays you an 18% interest rate. 18%. Remember, we're only in liens only still, okay?
So Florida and Mississippi is 18%.
Correct.
Stop asking questions.
Okay?
I'm asking a question, I'm making a comment.
18%, all right?
Yep.
If it's $1,000 bid at the auction, and you maybe bid, it's a bid up premium. So it's a bid up premium. Bid up premium. Bid up premium. Bid up premium means whoever pays the highest amount will control the lien. Arizona, bid down interest rate. Mississippi, bid up premium. Okay? If you suppose you bid, say I'm gonna bid $2,000. So from $1,000, it goes to $2,000. Okay? You got you got $1,000 difference, right? That $1,000 is a donation to the county. You don't get your money back. All right? You understand that?
Right.
So whatever you bid higher amount, and you win, and if that owner pays you back your money, you'll get your $1,000 plus your 18%, but not your overbid. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay? So you gotta understand every state is different. My opinion, I'm very, very good of all the states around the nation. Okay? I try to learn a lot about this and try to give you education.